Welcome to Atok. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your very own mini ad in our Atok feature and start engaging with your friends while rewarding them with Atok. And the best part? Both the sender and the viewer earn rewards in Atok. First things first, click on the black button in the middle of the menu bar. After that, a screen with two options will appear. Click on Mini Ad Box, and now you're ready to make your own mini ad box. Step 1. Upload brand logo. To upload your brand's logo, we recommend a 1:1 ratio image for best visibility. Your logo will appear naturally in user chats, making every conversation a touch point with your brand. Step 2. Describe your mission. Next, add your ad details. Enter your brand name as the title, up to 20 characters. Add a short description, up to 60 characters. Finally, include your brand's website link so users can connect directly with you. Step 3. Set views and target area. Now set your campaign goals. Choose the number of views with a minimum of 10,000. Each view costs just 0.018 Tok. After that, Atok will automatically convert your views into the Atok price. By default, your ad runs across the entire country, but you can edit the area to target specific countries. Remember, targeting works by country only, so add any country you want one by one. After choosing all the countries you want, click on Continue to hop to the next step. Step 4. Review and payment. Before checkout, review your ad setup, logo, title, description, website, ad type, and views. You'll also see your subtotal, NFT discount, and total cost. Complete the payment and you'll receive a detailed bill for your records. However, if your Atok balance isn't enough, the payment button will be disabled. Just tap Collect Atok to top up and continue. Step 5. Post setup and rewards. Once your mini ad is live, your brand logo will be displayed in user chats. When your friends see your message containing a mini ad box, both of you will receive a certain amount of Atok. And that's it! Setting up your mini ad box with Atok is simple, effective, and built to reward real engagement. Ready to launch your first campaign? Open the Atok app and start today.